Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Mansa Studio. And today's video is the continuation of my previous video, that is Clean With Me Part 1 guys. If you haven't watched Part 1, please click the eye appearing on the right hand side of the YouTube. Now assuming that you have watched Part 1, let's continue. After cleaning the floor and changing the bed sheets, this is how it looks guys. It has taken me about 4 to 5 hours I guess to complete this whole thing, that is the cleaning process, and I'm pretty happy with how everything looks clean now. This suitcase, I have to decide where this should go, so I just kept it there. And just one more time, I want you guys to see how it looks because I'm so obsessed with this. And please have a look on how the windows look. I can see my reflection, I can see what's happening other side, and I'm so happy that it's that clean now. So I decided I will be doing some wall hangers here in this wall, and I will be changing this study table's look with a lot of greens and everything. And I also thought of placing a plant pot beside this chair, and this wall where the luggage is there, I will be changing that as well. And this is the morning look guys. I wanted a wall hanger at this wall as well, and this is how it looks in the morning time without any light and the natural light. I wanted to change the curtains as well guys. I wanted to go with a subtle blue palette and white color to enhance the blue color. So I went to shopping and I bought some curtains which suits this room the best. And I went to the Begum Bazaar and bought some artificial greens guys because I need it for the study table and for the room. So this is the shop in Begum Bazaar where I purchased all the artificial greens. Now before I arrange, I want you guys to please subscribe my channel guys. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get instant notification when I upload a video. Now I bought all the curtains. I'm just arranging all of them. So I bought blue and white curtains to get the look. And to this side of wall, I just bought one blue curtain because I already have white wall behind. Just tucking in the bed sheet which suits best for this room. Now the bed section is done. Let's move to the study table. I bought this plant in Begum Bazaar and the pot is from IKEA. If you haven't watched my IKEA haul, please click the eye appearing right side. I'm just arranging this properly. I need to put some papers and all into the pot. For temporary purposes, I just kept it inside. This is my study table chair. I'm just arranging it and arranging the pots which I bought. So altogether I bought a pair of these, and I have this hat which I bought in Goa. I just want the boho look, so I just placed it there. I would be sticking it onto the right side of the study table going forward. I'm just keeping my laptop there and my mug. This is my mug which is given by Amazon to me. Placing some books and this is a small plant which I have. It's a live plant, guys. And this is the look right now. I would be placing my panda head as well, and going on to this wall right now, this corner. So this is the hanger which I made in my previous video, guys. If you want the tutorial of this, please click the link in the description box below, or you can also watch the video by clicking the eye appearing on the right hand side of the video. Now with the help of this nail, I would be hanging this wall hanger. My father is helping me here. So once that is stuck properly, I would be hanging this. And this is made of yarns, guys. It is really easy to make. Please check the link in description box below, and I'm sure you all will try this and love this. Now moving on to another side of wall, that is near the study table. I have 3 wall hangers, that is the boho wall hangers which I created in my previous video. Now I'm sticking those here. Now I'm hanging these cute boho hangers onto this. I made a tutorial on this also, guys. Please check the link in the description box below, or you can click the eye appearing on the right side. Now as my room color was blue, I just took a blue palette, that is the dark blue color, sky blue color, black and white. And as this was mixed colors, other 2 would be the sky blue and dark blue palettes. This one I'm sticking directly with a tape instead of hanging it. I just want to see if it stays properly. Let me show you, that was staying onto the wall really good. So I just took a double side tape, pasted it onto this cardboard and peeled off the paper. And it was really easy and it stuck really good on the walls. I just wanted it to be a little higher than the blue side one. Okay, I'm done sticking with this and I'm really satisfied with how it looks. I'm just combing it, and now I would be cutting it in a level. So I'm just using a paper tape and marking reference. Now along the reference, I would just trim this off. I just wanted to check how long I want it, and I would be trimming it off. And this is equal to cutting a hair, guys. Trust me, it was really satisfying. And I'm right at the end right now, just cutting the excess. You can use them, guys, you don't have to waste it. You can use it for a lot of DIYs. Alright guys, done doing this, and I'm done with all the decorating things and setting up everything. Now it's the moment of truth. This is how the room was looking before, guys. You got to see it. all shabby. This wall was completely empty with a chair and a luggage and a lot of items on top of that. These curtains, the items inside my dressing table, there was a chair with lot of clothes and everything, which I kept it in my wardrobe. The bed was completely messy, the curtain there up to the window, and the study table. The study table was absolutely messy. It was having lot of items just gathered without any purpose, lot of waste items which has to be discarded, lot of suitcases and everything. And these were the papers which I just threw it when I was doing the cleaning thing. And let's check the look now. And I'm really excited to show you. Once I open the door, this is how the first look is. Towards the left hand side of the room, this is the wall hanger which I made, guys. It completely lifted the space. The curtains, I love these curtains, guys. This just blended into the room and it is completely amazing. I really love that. And the windows are so clean. I really loved my choice, guys. It was amazing. Now to the dressing table again. So clean, so organized, not like before, and absolutely satisfying. Now coming towards the right hand side, the walls are absolutely clean, and that is the window look over that side. And yes, the study table along with the wall hangers there, with the curtains, with the bed, looked absolutely clean, modern, and fusion of boho and modern. Now let's take a closer look. I'm just moving towards the study table, and look at that wall hangers. It's absolutely beautiful here. And this is the plant which I loved. I just wound with the fairy lights, and this is the study table right now, guys. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's really satisfying. I just want to work here every day, and it's beautiful. I just kept a basketball there, and I'm really happy with how the room looks right now than before, guys. How it was, guys, I want you guys to tell me. Please leave your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below. And I just want to show you guys the study table once again. I just want to show you from a wider angle. And I also shot a night version, guys. This is after 7 p.m. how the room looks like. Now because it's night, that side the curtains had a different shade, and that was really amazing. It is different in morning and night. And that's how I changed this room, guys. I hope you guys loved this. Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any suggestions, requests or feedback, please drop it in comment section below. During this lockdown, let's keep ourselves high by doing anything that motivates us, guys. Alright, please do not forget to hit subscribe and like button if you are new to my channel, and if you loved my content, also do share it with your close ones, guys, and stay tuned.